there's a spectrum of sexual energy from angelic light on one end to kind of the what we worked with a little bit yesterday, sort of wild animal or wolf, or owning you, like asking, I ask the men, like, for this moment, own her. Right? There's some dark energy in that. So it goes even darker. I mean, it goes into all kinds of darkness. So, but on the spectrum, this is bass, and this is treble. And then in the mid-range, right? So if we're making music, do we want our music to have no bass? Most of the time, good music has some bass. Now, how much bass is really dependent upon who's listening to the music. And so the amount of dark energy that you add to your art, your music per se, is really a personal choice. But to disregard it completely would mean to just try to be making music with mid-range and treble.